Hey, I'm Doug. Welcome to Backcountry Pilgrim, a channel devoted to hiking, camping, backpacking, and the gear that goes with it. Today, instead of talking about gear or some cool trip I've been on, I want to talk to you about the 12 days of Christmas and what I and a bunch of other YouTubing hiking guys are doing to celebrate it. You've probably heard the song, The 12 Days of Christmas, the partridge in a pear tree and all that stuff. But did you know that the 12 days of Christmas are actually not the 12 days leading up to Christmas? Rather, they are the 12 days from Christmas to Epiphany. Now, you all know what Christmas Day is. That's the celebration of the birth of Jesus Christ. Epiphany is the celebration of when the Magi, or the wise men, came and gave him gifts. On the traditional calendar, those are the days of Christmas and not before. So Christmas actually ends at Epiphany. What does any of that have to do with hiking and backpacking and camping? Well, I will tell you, because my buddy Mark over at Mark Goes Hiking had a fantastic idea. And he got a bunch of us hiking YouTubers together to do a giveaway every day of the 12 days of Christmas. And you can join every single one of those giveaways by going to the different channels that are participating, and you might not only win, you might win more than once. My giveaway is going to be a Vaunt headlamp. Now, even if you already have a headlamp that you like, this makes a great gift or a great backup. I've reviewed the Vaunt headlamps elsewhere. I'll put a link in the description so you can check them out. In addition to our chosen gear, I and all the other participants are giving away a $25 gift card to Hilltop Packs. Now, we can't take credit for this. When I asked Ben McMillan if he wanted to participate, he said he couldn't do the video participation, but instead he offered to give a $25 gift card from his company to everybody participating in the contest. Now, I have featured Hilltop Packs in a number of videos. I love the company. They're great people. If you don't know about them, look them up, check them out. I got the link in the description below. Maybe run over to their YouTube channel, drop some likes, subscribe. Thank Ben for this incredibly generous gift. Okay, so how do you join? Very simple. First, just make sure you're a subscriber to this channel and any other of the channels that you choose to enter their giveaway. If that subscribe button down there on the YouTube page is bright red, you're not a subscriber, so make sure you click that, and also click the bell so that you get notifications when new videos drop. Then, of course, like the video. Then drop a comment in the comments below saying that you are interested in winning, because those are the names that I am going to use to choose my random winners. I'm actually participating on 2 days, the 27th and the 28th. So I will be giving away 2 of these headlamps and 2 $25 gift cards to Hilltop Packs. On the 27th and 28th, I will drop short videos announcing the winner. I will also indicate the winners in the description of this video. If it's you, all you need to do is shoot me an email at backcountrypilgrim@gmail.com, give me your shipping details, and Vaunt, who is sponsoring this giveaway for me, will send a brand new headlamp directly to you. All right, that's it for now. Good luck. I hope you will come back on the 27th and the 28th. You will get notifications that those videos drop if you're a subscriber and you click that bell. Until then, I am Doug. This is Backcountry Pilgrim. Thanks for watching.